To set up your Google Home speaker, first download and install the Google Home app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Plug the speaker's power cable into the included power adapter, then plug the adapter into a wall outlet. In the Google Home app, add your new device. At the top right, tap the plus icon. Tap Device. Scan the QR code on the bottom of the speaker. Choose a location for your speaker, then select the Wi-Fi network you would like to use with your speaker. Now you're ready to use your Google Home speaker. Your Google Home speaker comes with Gemini for Home Voice Assistant, and once set up, will update all of your pre-existing speakers or displays in the home to use Gemini as well. With Gemini, you can get richer answers, set and edit reminders on the fly, stream media, and control your smart home more naturally, with the option to choose from a range of new, expressive voices. Once you set up your Google Home speaker, you can use the device hands-free by just saying, "Hey Google."
Hey Google.
Your speaker features a light ring at its base with a dynamic glow. When you say, "Hey Google," the light ring will glow white to let you know when it's listening, blue and purple when thinking, and a cycle of different colors when responding or chatting live, and it will glow orange when the mic is switched off. Your Google Home speaker includes a trial of Google Home Premium, which provides access to these additional features like Gemini Live, sound sensing, and more. Use Gemini Live to get expert help, go deeper on a topic, or brainstorm ideas. Just say, "Hey Google, let's chat."
Hey Google, let's chat. Can you tell me the weather in London?
You can interrupt, ask follow-up questions, or change topics mid-thought without losing the thread.
Actually, never mind. Can you give me the best recipe for grilled steak?
After the trial, you'll still have access to the standard version of Gemini for journeys like quick answers, smart home control, tasks, and media playback. Using your voice, you can play media from your favorite streaming services, get help with everyday tasks such as managing your calendar or organizing your to-do lists, and interact with your smart home.
Hey Google, play some YouTube music.
Now playing cooking playlist.
In addition to voice commands, you can use the touch controls on the speaker. To play or pause media, tap the center of the speaker. To lower the volume, tap on the left shoulder of the speaker. To raise the volume, tap on the right side. You'll see a small white LED light that appears at the location of a touch control every time you use it. To change Gemini's speaking volume, adjust the volume controls on the speaker while Gemini is talking, or simply tell it to raise or lower the volume by saying, "Hey Google, lower or raise the volume by X%. To turn off the microphone, slide the switch on the base of your speaker until you see an orange portion of the switch slide into view. The base light will also turn orange if the mic is switched off. To learn more, visit the Help Center.